In this video, the Bitcoin price met our target exactly as predicted. And take a look at this guys sa ating daily time frame. Nagkaroon tayo ng candle close above the resistance ng ating Bitcoin price and also above this RSI resistance. But the question is this movement sustainable and what's next for the Bitcoin price? Stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabb's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. And before we start this video, meron tayo actually giveaway with BINGBON. So the first 50 users who are going to sign up with my link per day up until Wednesday will get a $100 free bonus when you are going to trade dito sa ating BINGBON account. So if you don't want to miss that $100 bonus dito sa BINGBON, I highly suggest na you sign up with my link na makita mo dyan sa description down below. So first 50 users for this day, first 50 users tomorrow, and then the first 50 users sa Wednesday, sila yung una makakuha ng $100 bonus dito sa ating BINGBON account. Let's dive into this Bitcoin price. So let's look at the hourly time frame. Kasi dito sa hourly time frame, from our previous price action, nakita tayo actually diba ng breakout dito sa ating descending triangle and we broke to the upside. However, dito nagkaroon tayo ng rising wedge and that rising wedge broke to the downside. However, wala tayong sell volume indicating na hindi confirm yung ating breakdown. So since walang sell volume, then of course nakuha tayo ng support, and then dito nag-form tayo ng descending triangle and it broke to the upside, and this continued our target of up until the 51.7k US dollars. So right now, we have met the target exactly as predicted dito sa area na yan. So, the question is, what's next for the Bitcoin price? Well, I think ang kailangan mo dito tingnan is the daily time frame. Kasi sa daily time frame, we are now actually above this Bitcoin resistance. And this is actually somewhat of a good news for the whole crypto market. Kasi if you're able to sustain this price action above this 51.7k, then I think na pwede tayo tumuloy paakit na dito kay Bitcoin price. Ngayon, ano pa ba yung dahilan na bakit important na ba-break natin itong level? Well, kasi if you're going to plot a Fibonacci resistance, let's draw Fibonacci retracement from this latest Bitcoin price. So, gawa tayo ng movement from the previous high to the lowest low. So, pag nag-draw na kayo dito ng Fibonacci, makita mo na itong same area is actually the same area kung saan tayo nagkakaroon ng Fibonacci resistance. So, if masustain natin yung movement above this area, then possible na tumuloy-tuloy na tayo dito kay Bitcoin price to our next target of around the 57,000 US dollars. So now, on top of that, meron din tayong isang kailangan tingnan dito na area, and that is also the RSI resistance. Kasi, look at this guys. We are now starting to break out from this RSI resistance. And if nag-breakout tayo, you can actually see na makita tayo ng pump from the Bitcoin price. So, same thing happened to the previous RSI breakout. Nagkaroon tayo ng pump bigla. So, if masustain natin to or magkaroon tayo ng candle close above, and of course, magkaroon tayo ng volume in the coming days, then possible na umakit tayo dito kay Bitcoin price. So yeah, right now, this is somewhat of a partial confirm move kasi of course open pa din yung candle ngayon. So, pwede kayo actually mag-partially enter dito sa Bitcoin price, like let's say 25% yung ipapasok nyo ngayon. And then yung remaining siguro tomorrow, if nagkaroon pa tayo ng isa pang daily candle close above this area, then siguro dun may ipasok yung remaining buy orders mo. So, yeah, I highly suggest na huwag kayo mag-all-in palagi if gusto nyo mag-enter. Kailangan palagi natin ng confirmation. So ngayon, partial entry, and then tomorrow yung confirming entry natin if, let's say, gusto natin ma-confirm na akit tayo for the Bitcoin price. So yeah, yun yung kailangan nyo abangan ngayon dito. Kasi possible na, let's say, open pa din tong candle. Possible na biglang mag-throwback yan dyan. So in that case, pag nag-throwback dyan, pwede ka mag-stop loss dito. And kasi possible na tumuloy-tuloy siya pababa if, let's say, ganun yung nangyari. Pero let's say, nag-bounce siya dyan, tapos di ba may partial entry ka, tapos nag-bounce siya, then that would mean na that's a confirming move. So, that would be a good re-entry dito. So you could actually partially buy ngayon para pag nag-bounce, dun ka maglalagay ng full buying opportunity mo, or you could actually wait for this bounce na mangyari. So, yun yung pwede mong gawing option dito for the Bitcoin price, just in case na biglang ma-decline tayo lalo biglang ng RSI resistance natin. So, yeah, I highly suggest na maging cautious tayo sa latest trade natin ngayon kasi dahil itong area ay sobrang laking resistance for the whole crypto market. Now, on top of that, meron din tayong kailangan tingnan na area which is the 200-day moving average and the 50-day moving average. Because if you're going to look at this, the 50 and 200-day moving average is about to cross. And you all know, guys, what does that mean? If we are going to see a 50 and 200-day moving average cross, that is a golden cross, indicating na we are about to enter a long-term bull market. Ngayon, bakit ba nasabi natin na papasok yun ng long-term bull market? Well, if you're going to look back in historical data, every time na nagkakaroon tayo ng golden cross, doon tayo nakita ng long-term bull market. So remember, ang golden cross is dapat after ng consolidation area or after ng bear market. So ayun nga, ito isang valid golden cross kasi this was after the consolidation area. You could actually see na this one was actually a very long consolidation area na nag-take tayo for about almost 2 years dito sa bear market na to. So you would actually notice na this was a very long consolidation, and of course, dun tayo nag-breakout after natin magkaroon ng golden cross. So ganun din yung nangyari sa previous golden cross din. We actually went off from this somewhat of a very long consolidation area dito. So ayun no. Meron tayo ditong consolidation na nag-form noong 2014 market cycle. And doon na nagkaroon tayo ng golden cross, doon natin na-confirm yung ating long-term bull market. So ayun guys, mapapansin nyo na every time nagkakaroon tayo ng golden cross, doon natin na-confirm na we are entering into a long-term bull market. So right now, if magkaroon na tayo ng golden cross dito sa ating Bitcoin price, then that would indicate na we are going to enter into a long-term bull market na ngayon for the Bitcoin price. And that would be the second half of this market cycle. Well, of course, the next question is, of course, marami magtatanong sa inyo, what about the September red or ghost month? Well, kasi diba sabi sa historical data, every month of September, dun tayo nakita ng less returns or somewhat of a no return sa month of September. Or usually, mas konti yung return natin for the month of September. So, what about that September red month? Well, sa ngayon kasi, isa lang nagsasabi sa atin na red month tayo for the month of September, and that would be this bearish divergence. Pero right now, if magkaroon tayo ng breakout dito sa bearish divergence, then that would indicate na invalidated din natin yung ating bearish divergence. So right now, if may invalidate natin itong RSI resistance, and of course, nagkaroon tayo ng candle close above this Bitcoin price resistance, then it's possible na yung ating September red month would be invalidated if nagkaroon tayo ng candle close above this RSI resistance and of course above this area. So, yeah, possible na ma-invalidate siya if, let's say, mag-continue ating Bitcoin price dito at masustain natin tong area na yan. So, if I were you, I would follow what the current indicators are telling us kaysa sa mag-expect ako na, oh, month of September, expect ako na babagsak yan. I don't think that's how you navigate the market. Dapat the way how you navigate the market is by looking at the current indicators. Kasi possible na ma-invalidate yung isang indicator if, let's say, karamihan is nagsasabing bullish. Like today, meron tayong bullish indicator na ito nga yung ating golden cross. If magkaroon siya ng golden cross, of course, that would be bullish. If magkaroon tayo ng candle close above the resistance, that would be also bullish. And if mabreak natin itong RSI resistance, that is another bullish indicator. So, if mas lumalamang yung ating bullish indicator natin kaysa sa isang bearish indicator, then of course, we are going to lean bullish sa ating analysis. So, ayun guys, yun yung kailangan nyo tingnan dito sa ating month of September. I-follow nyo yung current indicators and huwag kayo masyado mag-expect na bullish na ba tayo or bearish, not unless mag-form yung kanyang indicators. And right now, yung mga indicators na nag-form ngayon ay puro bullish. So, in case, that's the update muna for today. I highly suggest na follow muna natin si Bitcoin before entering into any altcoins. And ayun, as usual, if you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video and bye-bye for now.